That's Richard Patching. He's the co-chair of the 2009 Banff Spring Noise Conference. I'm Darrell Caswell. I'm the other co-chair of the 2009 Banff Spring Noise Conference. And we're here to give you a little heads up about the conference and invite you to the conference and tell you what it's all about. Because, of course, it's a noise conference, so it's about noise. And you'll notice that along with the beautiful music that Richard is playing, there's all kinds of noise from the heating, ventilating, and air conditioning in this room. Well, that's because it's not a concert hall. It's actually a design studio where all kinds of weird things happen in a design studio. So now, that noise in a design studio is not really considered to be noise, but if it was a concert hall, it's considered to be noise. And so noise really is unwanted sound. And if you come to our conference, we're going to show you all about noise from soup to nuts, from how it gets made, to how you control it, to how you regulate it. We'll even show you the theory behind sound. Now, here's the Bible of acoustics. You see how thick this is? Now, I've got a degree, I got a PhD in mechanical engineering. I can understand about this much of this book. Richard works in the field of acoustics all day, every day. He probably understands about this much of this book. What chance do the rest of you have to understand acoustics and learn about it? Well, I'll tell you, if you come to our conference, we will give you workshops that will take you right from ground zero and teach you the basics of acoustics so that you'll understand how sound gets made, how it gets propagated, how it gets controlled. If you're somebody from industry, you of course are going to be in a situation where you're going to make noise. You want to know, how do you make noise? Well, you already know how you make noise. You'll want to know how much noise are you allowed to make, how can you control that noise, and if you come to our conference, you'll find out all kinds of interesting things about noise control, noise regulation. For instance, sometimes you might want to take that noise and turn it into something else. So you can take one kind of sound that nobody wants and turn it into a different kind of sound that might be a little more passable. We might even show you how to do that. We can show you how to view sound. If you look over here, you'll see a picture of Richard's sound as he's playing his guitar. You'll even see my voice as I'm talking to you there. And we'll show you how to interpret that kind of stuff. So if you come to the 2009 Spring Noise Conference, May 19th to May 22nd, in Banff, Alberta, at the Rimrock Hotel, great place to have a conference, you will be guaranteed to learn all kinds of things about sound that you've always maybe wanted to know, and you'll learn about noise, you'll learn how to control it, you'll learn how it's regulated, you'll learn how the government thinks about it, you'll learn how the community thinks about it, you'll learn how industry thinks about it. You'll come away with so much knowledge that you'll become a sound expert just like Richard over here.